So I was scrolling through social media the other day and I came across plant-used French onion pasta. And I thought, I want to make that dish. But I also looked at some of the ingredients and realized it wasn't entirely whole food plant-based. So I thought I would try rejigging it so you who do eat whole food plant-based, assuming you do, could enjoy it as well. So that's what we're doing today. First up, let's check out Carleigh's video here. I'm going to put a link in the description down below for the recipe on her website, so you can go check that out as well. Give her some love. Carleigh Bodrug, who is the brain behind Plant You, has made many awesome cookbooks, from her original book, Just Plant You, her follow-up book, Scrappy Cooking. She's a friend of the channel. She endorsed our cookbook, which you can get at the link on the screen. We have hard copies available now as well. Just email me right here and I will hook you up. And she's also been interviewed here on the channel that I will put a link in the description to down below. Lovely person. Anyway, let's check out the video that she posted showing this off.
So the last time I posted a caramelized onion pasta recipe, it got over 30 million views. This is my French onion version with lots of thyme and white wine, all roasted in the pan to make it mostly hands-free. I'm using jovial brown rice spaghetti, which I love because it's organic and gluten-free, although you'd never know it. Mix in the spaghetti and dig on in.
This looks so simple. She's done a couple of these videos recently where she just like roasts an onion inside the pan with everything else. I'm down for it. Okay, so let's just go through the recipe itself. 3 onions, no problem. Head of garlic, got lots of that. Here's the first change we're gonna do. 3 tablespoons of white wine. We don't really drink alcohol in this house, so we never have white wine on hand. She says you could use lemon juice, so I have some fresh lemon. That's what I'm gonna do there. And I'm also going to take some of that lemon zest and zest it first, because I think I'll put that on top as well, as long as I remember to do so. Paprika, great. Thyme, great. Coconut milk. I know some of you aren't super into coconut milk. So if you want to do a swap for the coconut milk, what I would do is I would do, just make your own cashew milk, which you could just do in a blender by soaking like a half a cup of cashews, and then soak 3/4 to a cup of water. Not soak, you don't have to soak the water. Blend that together and you can use that instead of coconut milk, okay? So the olive oil, she uses that to put on top of the garlic, before she roasts it, I believe. So we're actually just gonna use aquafaba for that. And then pasta of choice, we're using a brown rice pasta. I'm not sure what we're gonna use yet. I gotta see what we have in the cupboard, but I think I have linguine or spaghetti. So she's using a half a cup of vegan Parmesan cheese here. I'm gonna leave that out. I'm gonna put some nutritional yeast on mine and Woolies. The kids might put cow cheese on theirs. I'm gonna leave that up to them. And then I'm gonna throw some red pepper flakes on. The one thing, I'm gonna be honest here, the one thing that bumps me about this is that it's missing like a protein source, like a significant protein source, as well as a vegetable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take some green peas and I'm just going to, they're frozen peas, I'm just gonna put some hot water in a bowl with the frozen peas while all of this is cooking, and I'm gonna add that after the fact.
I love peas because they're such an easy and sneaky way to get not only more vegetables in your dish, but also some protein if you don't want to like throw in tofu or beans, especially to a pasta dish, which I get, it's already kind of starchy enough. If you're curious, what is the protein amount when it comes to green peas per cup? Right here. Surprising, right?
So this looks simple enough. We're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And our casserole dish, we're going to add in the onions, the wine or our lemon, the thyme and paprika, and the coconut milk or the cashew milk if you're using that. Then we're going to slice off the top of that garlic head and put that in the middle and drizzle it with our aquafaba. If you want to use olive oil, go for it. We're going to cover that with foil and we're going to bake that for 45 minutes to an hour until the onions have browned and caramelized. And she says to stir it about halfway through. So make sure you set a timer for that. So while the onions are caramelizing, we're going to boil the pasta. She says to reserve a cup of pasta water for later. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to get those peas ready. She says when the onions are caramelized, remove the head of garlic and squeeze the cloves from the garlic into the pasta. I found this spinach in my fridge, which I don't have a use for, and it's probably going to start to go wilty in a few days. So when that onion mixture comes out, I'm just going to stir this in. The residual heat will be enough to wilt it, I imagine, and that'll give us a couple extra greens inside of our meal as well. Add the cooked spaghetti and the reserved pasta water if needed, and stir until the pasta is coated with the onions and the sauce. Finish with a generous serving of fresh parsley. I don't know if we have any fresh parsley. If not, we have some dehydrated parsley. I could use that instead. Red chili flakes and vegan Parmesan. If you've got vegan Parmesan or nutritional yeast like I'm going to use. All right. Before I show you what my family thought of this dish, I'd like to give a quick hello to some of you who said hello to us in the comments down below. Bunnykins from West Dorset in England. Marion from Hillsboro, Oregon. Elizabeth from Wallington, New Jersey. Anna from Sweden. Susie from Winfield, Pennsylvania. Misty from Detroit, Michigan. Graham from the United Kingdom. Joel from New Knoxville, Ohio. And Kim M from West Michigan. If you'd like a shout out here on the channel, all you have to do is say hello to us in the comments down below. Let us know who you are, where you're watching from, and let us know if there is a recipe that you would like us to do one of these one-off tests or turning it to whole food plant-based that we can do here on the channel, and maybe we'll get around to it sometime in the near future. All right, let's see what we thought of this dish.
It's so good. I like onions, and so everybody else should have onions too.
Did you hear that? Did you get it all? I think this is really...
I'm gonna have
Ooh, the heat cream. It takes a second, like the flavors continue to build in your mouth. Ooh, it's good.
I don't like onions. There's still onions on there.
Where?
Right there.
They're kind of mixed in with the pasta. That's kind of the point, Annie.
You just spit on me.
Can I get a little pee?
No, I don't want to pee. No.
You got this.
No.
Really?
No. No. Oh!
So Annie doesn't like it. Ephraim's review is going to be don't go on a date after you eat this. Get a lot of onion. Hi, Willie.
Hi there.
What do you think of this?
Tastes like lemon.
Yeah.
Lemonion.
Lemonion. Lemonion pasta?
It's okay.
Mm.
I would not ask for this meal.
The onion's a lot.
I don't not like it, but I would not ask for it. I think it's just okay.
The flavor keeps building for me.
Mm.
I would like this with other things. You know?
No. What other things?
Like if this was served at like a buffet. I'd like a couple mouthfuls of this. It's a lot to have for an entire meal.
No, we should just make a buffet for dinner, because that won't take long.
I'm saying if you were to make a bunch of things for like a potluck. I'm in the middle on this one. I like it, but I wouldn't make it again, I don't think. Especially given that you guys don't love it. And it's a lot of onion. I think you could pull some of that out. That texture, it's just the texture is, you know, it's okay though.
Why does it taste like that?
It's French onion pasta.
That is not French onion.
No?
That's just like... That's not even like... It's supposed to be creamier. Just like watery.
Mm.
Just like lemon water with onions.
So it doesn't taste creamy enough.
No.
Would you like the flavor if it was creamier?
Maybe. Probably would be cut down a bit, so yeah. It's like really lemony, really citrusy.
It could be more lemony. That's because I probably add a little bit of lemon zest at the end. So maybe I didn't need to do that.
I was excited for this.
You were excited? I'm sorry. So just a reminder, these are our thoughts based on my swaps. So hard to know how we would react to the original recipe. So take this all with that in mind as well. It's not necessarily Carleigh's version of this recipe that doesn't work. It's what I've done to it. Or maybe it's both. We don't know. Let us know in the comments down below if you tried this recipe and what you think.